today's world, people have made their screen time as their me time, which strain the eyes and ultimately result in headache. Yoga plays an important role to help improve the flexibility of eye muscles and help you focus better. So hi guys, today in Yoga for the Soul, we're going to talk about how yoga can help you strengthen your eye muscles. Before starting these exercises, let's understand the palming of the eyes. Rub your palms gently together and form cups out of them and then place them gently around your eyes. Do not place the palms flat on the eyes. Palming is done in between the eye exercises and after them as well. Make sure that you are seated comfortably with your spine upright. It can be done sitting on the floor or a chair. Number 1, side to side. Keep your face relaxed and eyes closed with your palms cupping them. Gently release the palms, open your eyes as you look straight. Move your eyes from right to left very gently without moving any other body part. Repeat this 5 to 7 times. After finishing, practice palming. Number 2, diagonal corners. Keep your face relaxed and eyes closed with your palms cupping them. Gently release the palms, open your eyes as you look straight. Move your eyes from the upwards right corner of the eye to the downward left corner very gently without moving any other body part. Repeat this 5 to 7 times. Take a break and palm your eyes before you start from the left upward corner to the right downward corner. Number 3, clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Keep your face relaxed and eyes closed with your palms cupping them. Gently release the palms, open your eyes as you look straight. Move your eyes to the left, up, right and down in a clockwise manner and continue the same for 5 to 7 rounds. Once done, practice palming. Start again from the other side, that is anti-clockwise, going right, up, left and down and continue the same for 5 to 7 rounds. Practice palming after. This exercise will work on your eye muscles and the gentle pressure will promote stimulation, resulting in diminished dark circles. By taking a bit of time out of your day for yoga and relaxation, you can significantly reduce your level of eye discomfort, blurry vision and other symptoms of eye strain. Eye movements. These are crucial exercises to practice to improve the flexibility of the eye muscles and also helps in improving your focus. They help in decreasing eye strain. Remember to do the following gently and slowly. Also do let us know if you plan to add eye yoga in your daily routine. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.